As our team first brought Thought Exchange into Allstate, we were really looking at it for just the learning perspective, that we hosted these learning events and we wanted to be able to approach getting ideas from our learners in a different way. And we found that the more people sat through our sessions, the more they started to think about all the different applications. And in the past, to get a lot of that similar functionality, we might have had to invest in several different apps or pieces of software to get the same result as what we're able to get in Thought Exchange. So what I really love is it's gone from we were looking at just what we could do in a learning event at a particular location to how can we offer this and be able to be broadcasting live to several locations at the same time, yet having everybody participate in one Thought Exchange. So it's been really disruptive in the fact that it has allowed us to do more with a single app. It has allowed our leaders to think in many different broader ways of how they can use it, but it's also helped us to think globally, that we are able to work with and get the ideas of people participating in our events, not just at our home office in Northbrook, Illinois, but all of our locations throughout the United States, and as we look to some of our global locations as well.